Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. On the AVAX chart, we can see that price reacted to the trend line that we discussed already in yesterday's video. What I'm watching for now is a potential pullback here, obviously in the wave 2, something we discussed in the last few videos already. Yeah. So what we're waiting for is a deeper pullback to get the next, let's say, setup here, which could lead to upside. Yeah, basically a jump off point for a C wave rally. We have on this chart a possible 5-wave move up of the June low, so we can count that a leading diagonal, even though it's extremely ugly. The diagonal structure is not definitely complete yet. They can always extend out because you've got trend lines that are being followed in diagonals, channels, wedge patterns. So this pattern really needs to confirm to us that the trend is breaking and that the pullback in wave 2 is starting. And it will really only do that when it breaks below the trend line. Now this is going to be a difficult one because the diagonal is not very steep, the structure, and you can see it basically overlaps with our support area already. Now in this support area, I would normally like to see this deeper pullback to reach at least the 50% retracement at 1207. So a break of the trend line would give us a clue that we are heading to that $12 level, 1207. I have added though the 1258 level, which is the 38.2 retracement to the chart, because it's typically a level where we at least see a bounce and maybe the A wave will react, rally then in a B wave, in a corrective rally, maybe a retest of the trend line from below. If that happens, let's assume we're currently coming down in the A wave. Maybe it's not entirely clear yet to me, but let's say we do. Then we do a retest of this trend line, could be our B wave and then the C wave down. That would be textbook ABC structure as I would like to see it, into the support area, then either a reaction to 1207, 1157 or 1085, which would be quite deep. As long as we're holding 1085 and any deeper pullback, we can get a rally to the upside. This is what we need to be concerned with on the shorter time frame. But obviously until the channel breaks, it can simply extend this diagonal structure higher. These are running until they get exhausted. There is not really a clear target for these diagonals. We have resistance in this area. I posted a few days ago that it was now entering resistance. So when it entered resistance, it got rejected. And this is why we see a bit of a reaction to the downside. Pretty obvious resistance area here, yeah, with those previous trades, area of trade, yeah, historical volume. And now we're coming down. Now we need to watch the trend line next. I think it has a good chance to come back to that trend line. And if it breaks it, it's going to head into the orange support range, could do a B wave and the C wave. Alternatively, but we won't really know until we watch this reaction here. Could just extend the diagonal, but at some point I expect this deeper pullback. And it's all about the 1085 level. As long as this is going to hold, yeah, we can expect higher in a C wave. Or alternatively, it would be a wave 3 that would be a bit more bullish. We talk about that when we get into this region, yeah, because it could be either, and that's sort of the next level, the next degree. This could be an ABC structure, or it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we don't really need to worry about that until we get to this point, because until we get here, ABC or 1, 2, 3 is completely identical. It's just going to be here where we're going to see the difference, where they are either is going to drop below support or it's going to rally higher in a fifth wave. But we cross that bridge when we get to it. For now, it's important to watch this area here, yeah, for the relevant levels that I indicated. So that's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.